Hi guys, join me back on the banks. Today or this weekend I'm fishing at the Vaal. The Vaal River. I'm gonna be doing a session here, trying to get some fish. It's a river. I arrived about an hour ago. I'm busy setting up now. Look forward to showing you what I get up to, if I can say it like that, and the rigs and tactics. And yeah, guys, enjoy. I'm just gonna walk you guys through the feed for the session. So it's some particles that I cooked in the previous video. As you can see there, I added some chili flakes and some Himalayan salt. That's gonna be the feed, and then I'm gonna also do some boilies. Some crustacean boilies from DCN Baits, and then there's zest boilies as well. Just gonna throw a few freebies on top, and yeah, that's about it. Hopefully we can get some fish. Enjoy. Okay, so as you can see, we're busy baiting up now, trying to put our rigs. Unfortunately, I forgot my spomming setup, and usually when I fish this venue, I usually either spom in the middle, but the last time I did that, I kept getting snagged. So I left my spomming setup at home for that reason. I thought maybe I could feed with the scoop and throw the feed out. It did work, but I felt like I needed to go a little bit deeper, which made me struggle a little bit, and I regretted a little bit that I should have rather brought the spotting setup. But it's fine though. I still put the rods out and I hope that the fish would still feed in the shallower water, because obviously it was winter and the fish tend to hold in the deeper water, not in the shallower water. But nonetheless, let's see what happens. Hi guys, just an update. We obviously put the lines out yesterday. Nothing really happened. This morning we had a run, but it came off. I'm not sure what happened there. We're gonna rebait now, change a few tactics, maybe a few spot changes as well. And let's hope something happens. But cheers. Okay, so this is the rigs. As you can see here on the left, we'll be doing a Ronnie rig with a crow pop-up from DCN Baits, and then a zest wafter from DCN Baits as well, on a multi-combi rig. And then over here we'll be doing a fruity tuna pop-up on a spinner rig, and then over here I'm doing a zest pop-up as well, just a different color, on a spinner, and then a stack of fake maize, and also on a multi-combi rig, and then a tiger nut with a fake maize on a multi-combi rig. And that's gonna be the rigs. We're just going to rebait now and hopefully set the rods for the evening. If it doesn't go, maybe we'll rebait again in the evening. But guys, that's at least the rigs for the session. And I'll keep you guys posted on what happens. Cool. Hi guys,
Yeah, I'll just be walking you through the baiting approach. It changed quite a bit. Obviously I'd left my spomming setup at home, so I struggled to get the feed a little bit further out with just a scoop. So I went to the shops, bought some millibomb. It's basically crushed maize into a powder. You can mix it with water, and then it can like bind and form these balls. And then what I did was I also bought these molasses balls to help attract the fish in the area. And then with the millibomb, I added some crustacean boilies as well as the zest boilies with my particle and mixed it into these balls, so that it can attract the fish and it can go further. But yeah, I'm just gonna use that to throw further out into the river, just a little bit deeper than what you would throw with the scoop. And yeah. Hi guys, you joined me back at the Vaal. Yeah, after a very quiet 2 days, yeah, we managed to get something. Now I'm just gonna show you the fish quickly. Yeah, there's the result. Yeah, obviously it was very quiet, but we kept the feeding going, because obviously it's a river. You want to stop the fish as they're moving. Yeah, got this fish on the tiger nut with the fake maize, the yellow. And yeah, and yeah, that's the result. Cool, let's hope for a few more. Cheers. Hi guys, you joined me back at the Vaal. Yeah, we're about to start backing up and leaving now. Yeah, obviously only getting that fish early this morning. It's been really quiet for the past 2 days trying to get fish. We just haven't had a chance to like locate them. Basically, we tried a few different I guess sections of the river, but when you go a little bit too deep, you keep getting snagged, because obviously it's a river, so there's a lot of snags flowing through the river. So we decided to fish our margin in front. Yeah, obviously we got that one fish this morning. But yeah, guys, if you do enjoy this video, please like the video, comment, give us a few venues you'd like us to try. And yeah, thank you. Cheers.